Travel vocabulary in English. Souvenir. Luggage trolley. Passport. Carry-on bag. Map. Belt bag fanny pack. Debit card. Handbag. Cash. Coins. Travel insurance. Power bank. Check-in desk. Magazine. Travel pillow. Sunscreen. Binoculars. Postcard. Blanket. Sleep mask. Boarding pass. Suitcase. Visa. Duffel bag. Ticket. Backpack. Toothbrush. Toothpaste. Credit card. Video camera. Wallet. Keychain. Garment bag. Camera tripod. Boarding gate. Window seat. Airplane seat. Laptop bag. Camera bag. T-shirt. Pants. Shorts. Dress. Skirt. Jacket. Sweater. Coat. Hat. Cap. Sunglasses. Scarf. Gloves. Belt. Shoes. Sandals. Boots. Swimsuit. Pajamas. Socks. Soap. Shampoo. Conditioner. Comb. Hairbrush. Razor. Mobile phone. Deodorant. Phone charger. Laptop. Tablet. Camera. Headphones. Adapter plug. Purse. Earphones. Travel guide. Compass. Notebook. Pen. Book. Water bottle. ID card. Security check. Runway. Bus stop. Umbrella. Travel games. Playing cards. Diary.